Hi guys, so this is a mini cookware. We bought it online, so this is a good thing for solo or couples, and you are downsizing. So we have this burger press, and we use it already, and look, I didn't wash it yet, and we cook some things there like steaks and heating your bun and heating anything. You can use it. The little thing there will work for you. And this one, I'm unboxing it, a mini cookware. You can use it for quick noodles as it this is wait there, let me pull this one out first. It's hard to film while you having your one hand at the camera. So this one, yes. So it's really good. It's easy to clean, little things to wash, and it will work for you as a solo or couple, not for big family, of course. And yeah, you can even try to experiment any small cooking things that you wanted, but for this one I will cook this noodle thing here as it the advertisement says in the box. So yeah, I really like this. I love it. I like the color yellow, and the blue is for the boss. And yeah, so this is easy to use, easy to clean. It's very convenient. Yeah, it's not only for kids, it's also for adults. Hi, it's so nice. So thank you for watching, guys. So in our next video we have some mechanical things, a serious vlog. For now, this is the only thing I can show you because I like it. Thank you. Subscribe.